Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got another one from Indonesia, part of the Suprama Meet the Manufacturer series. This is Best Wok Mie Goreng Black Pepper Seafood. And you may have seen me review this before, but since it's now a Meet the Manufacturer, I wanted to do it a little nicer. Rather, you may have seen me cook it before. This is not a review show, this is a cooking show. My reviews come out on www.theramenraider.com. And usually the video comes out well in advance of the review, usually. So, yeah. But for the Meet the Manufacturer, the video comes out at the same time. Like, I'll push out the video and the post. Ooh, noodle! Drop that in. Start our timer. No, not 1 minute. 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom. There we go. So yeah, I've had this one before, and it's nice and peppery and black peppery, and it's good. So I don't think this is one of their new recipe ones. It's a new one, but I don't think they've had it around long enough to make a new version of it. Although I'm looking at it, and I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. I was looking at the original post to this one, and I was like, there's only, so there's one seasoning, or one oil and one seasoning. Usually you'll see multiples in Mie Goreng varieties from Indonesia, but this one's a little bit different. I remember what I liked about this is that it had a nice black pepper flavor, but it wasn't overwhelming. It wasn't like so black peppery that it was monotone or anything like that. It was nice. So it's nice. It's nice stuff. So we shall see. This is the second of 3 I'm doing today. The next one I'm doing is going to be that what's the brand? Dara and some Citarasa, I think that was the name. Mie Goreng seasoning. And that one I got to do here. So I've got to put the camera over here. Yeah, it's going to be. It's tricky when I gotta use the big burner, because I've got to, whoa, it gets hot. Yeah. I don't want to get burned. You wouldn't want to get burned. Yeah. But yeah, what else is going on? Not a heck of a lot. We got our new fun light. Let's see how that works. Yeah, there you go. There, now I'm a cyborg. It's cool. It's yeah, I dig that. I don't know. I thought it would be fun to have lighting. So now I have lighting. It was cheap too. It was like 30 bucks. Very inexpensive for professional laser lighting, ladies and gentlemen. And the kids absolutely love it. Yeah, just look around for a laser light show on Amazon and you can probably find one of those. But get the one with the battery. It looked like it took batteries, but it's rechargeable, which is crazy. I can walk around and like just have a laser light show whenever I want. If I did. I don't know that I'd want to carry that thing around and then do a laser light show. But I could, if I really wanted to. Who knows? It might be something I really want to do one of these days, and I'll have the ability to do so. Drain back in the pot. Now we add in our ingredients. Wow, I need to fry an egg. You want to see how I fry an egg? Oh, that burner's still too hot. I can't do it yet. I slow cook eggs. so they come out looking all purty. And it's really not hard to do. I see so many, like, I don't know, some people like them all burnt and funky. I really don't. I like them looking as nice as possible, because I like runny yolks. But some people do not. Some people like their eggs kind of crispy. There we go. And then we go. Nice combining time. There we go. That's pretty good. All right, the moment of truth. Black pepper seafood mee goreng. Let's hit this. Yeah, that's groovy. It's got just a nice hit of black pepper. It's not too much, and it's got a nice underlying kind of buttery seafood flavor. It's great. This is a win. This makes me happy. All right. Come on, IKEA plate. It's my new IKEA plate. I like this thing. Our noodle. And where'd it go? Got a couple 16, 20 count shrimp. When you see it says like 16, 20 count, that means 16 to 20 shrimp per pound. And as you can see, these are really big shrimp. Really big. I think the only way you're gonna get any bigger is if you're looking at like mantis prawns, which I think are wonderful too. They look like dinosaurs. They're great. Whoa, come on. There. I'm gonna add in a little bit of my scallions. Like that. I want a little bit of this sauce. It really doesn't need it, but it adds some nice color. And then I have some fried onions, because I really like fried onions on mee goreng. And a little bit of crushed red pepper. And I think black sesame seed might be nice on this, because we got a black pepper theme. Let's add some black sesame seeds on top of these guys too. And there you go. Let's rotate with Rotato. All right, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one I'll be doing is the Dara. I'll show you. Got this Dara variety that Suprama makes, and then I've got this Siptarasa mi goreng. So I'm gonna cook up some kind of DIY mi goreng next, and yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.